I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up a very important test question based on derivatives. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. The question here is shared by one of my students. Given g of x equals to f of x times tan x plus kx, where f is differentiable for all x, and we are also given f of pi by 4 is 4, f prime of pi by 4 is minus 2, and if g prime of pi by 4 is 6, find the value of k, right? So you can always pause and answer the question. So let's get into the details. Step by step solution of this particular problem. We are given g of x as equal to f of x times tan x. So product rule will be applied with trigonometric functions and kx. Now if I differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, what do I get? So I get g prime of x, which is, here we'll apply the product rule, f prime of x times tan x plus f of x times derivative of tan x, which is secant square x, plus derivative of kx will be k. We need to find the value of k. We are given a lot of stuff here. Let's substitute what is given to us. G prime of x, and we are working at x equals to pi by 4, right? X equals to pi by 4. So let me write down g prime of pi by 4 will be f prime of pi by 4 tan of pi by 4 plus f of pi by 4 times secant square x of pi by 4, right? Plus k. Correct. So we can substitute the values and calculate. G prime of pi by 4 is 6. F prime of pi by 4 is minus 2. Tan of pi by 4, as you know, is 1. Plus f of pi by 4 is 4. Secant square pi by 4 means square root 2 square, which is 2, plus k, right? Okay. So that we now from here we can find the value of k, isolating k basically. It will give us 6 plus 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we'll do minus 8 is equal to k. So that gives you the value of k as equal to 0. So that becomes the solution of this particular condition, right? So we have seen how to work with product rule of trigonometric functions and solve a problem. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thank you and all the best.